Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Viv has a little attitude at the moment, but we are going to be doing a fun little thrift. We're turning this guy into a reading seat nook area. So at the moment I am having my husband break the top of it off, and then that little gap is going to be where the seat is, and then this is going to be for all her books. And it's nice and big, so she can use it for quite a while. She won't be able to use it until she's like 1, but after that she'll be able to use it for quite a few years, and then maybe with our next kid they can use it as well. So it was only $10. If it ends up being a flop, no big deal, but hopefully it turns out really cute. What did you just say? I have a feeling this might be a flop, but we will see. Oh, that's smart. Like, bang it off?
No. They have screws everywhere.
Oh. Oh. Ew, there's old tissues in there.
Yeah.
Need to make sure we wash our hands.
$10.
True. Viv is currently sleeping. Like I said earlier, she was having a little attitude. She was very tired, it turns out. So we got the volume on, put her right here in their recycling bin while we try to dissect this guy. This is where we're at currently. So we just need to remove this guy and this guy, and this is like super flimsy, which I didn't realize. Obviously that's not gonna hold her up. So instead of like buying a new piece of wood, I think we're just gonna cut this top piece to be the exact size to sit here, and then I'll add like the batting, the stuffing, and the fabric and stuff, and then put it in. So still haven't decided what color I'm gonna paint it, but we'll see. So it ended up taking us like a week to finalize this. Just having a baby, we like didn't realize how hard it is to do projects with a kid. When we renovated our house, obviously we didn't have her yet, and so we were able to just kind of like do things when we wanted, but we were on her schedule this time around. So like we would start something and then she'd cry, we would start something again and then she'd need to eat, and so it just was like a lot more complicated. But we are finished now. I'm in her room and I'm gonna show you the final result and walk you through everything that I did. So this is what it looks like. I love the way it turned out. The paint color that I chose is Sedona Pink. It's like a very muted antique looking pink color. And then this is the hardware that it came with. We just polished it and cleaned it off. These, I'll go ahead and like take everything off and show you exactly how we did this. So these are little cushions that I made, and what I did was I went to Joann Fabrics and I bought a roll of foam, and I can link that down below. And this was an old muslin blanket or swaddle that she had that she just never used, so I cut it up. I just thought this design was really pretty. I almost bought a fabric at Joann's actually, but I was like, let me see if I have something at home that can work before I spend money on something else. So I got the foam rolls from Joann's, and then at Goodwill I got a really old pillow that I just cut open and I took the stuffing out of, and I added stuffing on the seat and the sides but not the back. So as you can see, that one looks different than these two because this one is only that foam pad, and these ones are foam pad with stuffing added also, so you can see that they're like fluffier. I just wanted the seat and the sides to be fluffy so it's just more comfortable. So this is what the inside looks like. We took out the other drawer and we unscrewed the track for that drawer, and then we also cut the sides down. I just did one coat of paint in here because I knew it wasn't going to be showing, so the inside doesn't look very nice. And then I also had my husband cut that top piece to fit in as the seat. So this is solid wood now. And then I just went in with a little bit of wood filler here. It obviously doesn't look good, but again, it's not showing. So I didn't like try super hard here, but I just wood filled this. And then I had him do one screw just so I know that this is like super, super secure. It's not gonna move. And he cut it just the right size, so he had to like push it in. So this is very, very firmly there. It is not going to move when she sits down on it. So yeah, that is kind of what I did for the top here. And then I just measured the bottom length and height, the sides length and height, and then the back length and height. And that is how I decided what size foam to cut. And the way that I want it sitting in there is the sides and the bottom being flush. So it is like this. They are flush on the bottom, and then the top just sits perfectly in here. I am going to be gluing the foam pieces to the wood, but I haven't found a glue yet that is secure enough to hold the foam, because like I said, the foam shows to the wood pieces. So I need to do a little bit more research on that before I just like randomly glue it down. That way I can make sure it's really, really secure for her. But then in this drawer, I just went ahead and cleaned and disinfected the inside of the drawer. I didn't want to paint the inside, and this just has a bunch of her books in here. So we have all of these for reading time, and then I thought this one just looked really, really cute sitting on the chair. So I just have this guy sitting here to look all cute. And then she also has some more books over here as well, and I think I might reorganize this because it looks a little bit cluttered, and just put some of these books in her little nook. But yeah, so that is what this looks like. I am going to be doing a nursery tour here soon. I just realized I still haven't done that, and she's 3 months old. So that will be coming soon if you want to see her entire room. But this is the final product. I absolutely love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything I did, or if I missed anything talking about what we did, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will definitely let you know. Also, I want to insert a picture right here. This is the picture that I found on Pinterest that inspired me to want to do this project in the first place. So this is not my original idea. I did see something that someone had done prior, and I was just like, ooh, I love that idea. I love thrifting. I love doing thrift flips. I want to try this. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.